Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click the subscribe button, and if you want notifications for when I upload, click the little bell. Today I am showing you how I made this adorable twine Easter bunny. So you're going to need one of the tinsel bunny signs from Dollar Tree. It's the large one. You're going to need some twine, and I picked up mine at Walmart, but you can use the Dollar Tree twine. I also picked up this 12-inch wreath work form at Walmart. First, you're going to want to remove the tinsel off of your large bunny sign, and just be very careful because the frame is made of plastic. And this is how it looks with the tinsel removed. And save the little ribbon in the center so you can hang it back up by that ribbon. And then now you're going to take your twine, or the package says jute cord, and tie it on to your frame. I tried to use very little hot glue for this one, so I tied my twine on each time. Now you're going to just take your twine and you're going to wrap the little bunny head, and I used the little pegs so that the twine would stay in place, and I really just kind of did it random. I didn't go straight in a line. I kind of crisscrossed and just had fun with it. But the thing is, you got to make sure and keep it tight. Don't let it get loose. Keep it tight each time. It does take quite a bit of twine, so I would recommend using a new package, and I purchased mine at Walmart for around $3, and it's by Hampton Art, and it is in the craft section at Walmart. So just keep wrapping until you have the little bunny head wrapped, and I just continued on up my ears the same way that I did the little head. Just keep it tight as you wrap the little bunny ears. So this is very simple to make. It just takes a little bit of time to wrap your bunny, and so just keep wrapping until you have it as full as you would like. And you can keep yours doing straight across if you want, or you can do like I did and kind of crisscross a little bit. Just have fun with it, and just make sure when you're wrapping your bunny that you keep the twine tight. And also when you do your 12-inch wreath form, same thing. Keep it wrapped tightly. Don't let it get loose. I just took a zip tie and threaded it through the little bunny head, and then threaded the zip tie through the wreath form and zip tied my two wreaths together. So you can just kind of squeeze through the twine and make room for the zip tie, and then just make sure you tighten up the zip tie nice and tight, and then trim off the extra part of the zip tie. And then the carrots are from Dollar Tree. And then here I'm tying a bow. So you'll let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go to the other side, make another loop about the same size as your first loop. Then just go back and forth, trying to make your loops the same size on each side until you get the bow the size you want. And then let out a tail, and you'll want to have some floral stem wire close by to wrap tightly around the center of your bow. You do not have to purchase any of your items at Walmart. You can get everything at Dollar Tree. The 14-inch wreath form will work too. I just happened to be at Walmart and picked up a 12-inch one. So all your materials can come from Dollar Tree. So you don't have to make a special trip to Walmart to make this adorable bunny wreath. I will leave a materials list for you in the drop-down box below. And here I'm dovetailing the ends of my ribbon. So you take your ribbon, fold it in half with your edges to the left side, go to your fold and cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V in the ends. Fold your ribbon in half with your edges to the left, go to your fold and cut away from the fold. And that kind of dresses up your bow. And then you're ready to fluff the loops of your bow, and you'll want to use ribbon with wire. It just makes a prettier bow, and it's much easier to work with. And this is 2.5-inch width ribbon, and the Dollar Tree ribbon will work just fine. And I'm just going to take my wires and thread them through the wreath form, and then I'm going to go to the back and give the wires a few twists, and then cut off the extra part of the wire and fold it down. I also added a twine carrot from Dollar Tree and a bunny tail from Dollar Tree. It just clipped right on. So this is how it looks, guys, and I just used that same ribbon that came on the tinsel bunny sign. I didn't cut it off, I just left that ribbon, and it works out great to hang up your wreath. So this is how it looks. Very simple to make and inexpensive. So in the comment section below, I would like to know if you like this twine bunny better or the chunky yarn bunny better. And I will link that tutorial below if you have not watched that tutorial, because it's very cute too and very simple and inexpensive to make. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope everyone has a wonderful night. And if you don't mind, please like and share. I really appreciate it.